Yeah.
Hello friends, hello Pod team, fired up man. This is Sanjay and Shima from Brisbane, Australia. Super duper fired up, after visiting Perth is absolutely fantastic, The kind of momentum I can see is absolutely great. See, if I come from all the way 5.5 hours driving from, on the flights from Brisbane to Perth, definitely has got some potential because we can connect the people on phone itself. Okay, and that's how we got started people in Perth. And now our goal is to come and visit more often because we can see a good potential. After visiting people, we can see the kind of friendly people, so peace of environment, so great nature, everything is good. Now it's up to you and me how we can use the potential and how we can take business to the next level. So if you are part of Kannan and Priya's teams, I don't want to tell you anything out because they are carrying big team happening in Perth and under the leadership of Subhash and Shweta, absolutely mind blowing. Make sure don't take it granted. Put your 100%. I'm sure the kind of efforts they are putting to establish a big team, okay, is absolutely amazing. Make sure you take advantage each and every, attend all the associations because that is how the system works. And whatever I'm doing today is definitely we got excited because of the kind of systems we got attached. BW systems. Don't take it granted. It's absolutely amazing. Make sure you get best out of the systems, learn, educate yourself, and move on.
Function.
And absolutely, the best part about what I want to tell you. See, if I come for here, I want to take some people from my team to upcoming summer winter conference in Sydney. Make sure if you haven't booked your ticket, you book your ticket first, because if you haven't been to any kind of big functions, okay, you cannot imagine the kind of business, the kind of opportunity is in your hand. You need to experience at least once. I don't want to, because it happens to us as well. When Subhash and Shweta said to us for the first time, you come at least once, you invest your money. If it is not worth, we can return the money. That kind of guarantee they can give us. And after attending our first function, we never miss any first function. We are just absolutely fired up because there are two speakers are coming all the way from USA. Okay, and if you're a fan of cricketers, Adam Gilchrist is coming as a special guest speaker. Guess what? You can have a best of the best. You can get a lot of knowledge and nuggets from a lot of people, and you can see the diversity and the vision of Australia business for Amway business. Make sure you get best out of it. Book your ticket as early as possible so that you can get a best deal and stay connected with Kannan and Priya. Absolutely fired up, and it was nice meeting you, Kannan and Priya. The kind of hosting they did for us, absolutely great. It's our privilege to meet and work with Kannan and Priya. Absolutely great. Thanks a lot.
Woo!